Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mechanical Study, and today I will discuss about the priming of the centrifugal pump. Friends, here we can see the centrifugal pump and its various parts. This is delivery valve of centrifugal pump. This is delivery pipe, casing, impeller, suction pipe and foot valve and strainer. So when we first time put in service a pump, then it is required to fill with water. Why it is required to fill with water? Initially, when we going to start the pump, air is available inside the pump, and we all know the density of the air is low as compared to density of the water, and heat generated by the water is so heat generated by the air is so negligible as compared to heat generated by the water. To avoid this situation, we need to remove the air from inside of pump. This is done by filling water by manual process or other various process which we will discuss later on. Now, priming is the operation to filling the passageway from outside source with the liquid to be raised before starting the pump. So friends, priming is the operation to filling the passageway from outside source with the liquid to be raised before starting the pump. Here passageway means the suction pipe, casing and some portion of the delivery pipe. Now we will discuss about the various type of the priming. One, manual priming. Second one, priming with vacuum pump. Third one is priming with jet pump. And last one is priming with air separator. These four methods are used for priming. First we start with manual priming. In this method, a funnel is fitted. This is a funnel. funnel is fitted to the delivery pipeline of the centrifugal pump, and water is added manually. So that's why it is called manual priming. Water is added manually and it goes to various parts of the centrifugal pump. Various parts of the centrifugal pump. When this is air vent, when priming is being done, then inside air will escape from air vent, and when complete air will escape from air vent, then water will come out from this air vent and it will indicate that priming process has been completed. After completion of the priming process, air vent valve will be closed, and then if we start the pump will able to deliver the water at desired level. Second process is priming. Second method is priming with vacuum pump. In this method, a small reciprocating pump this is reciprocating pump. Pump is added to delivery pipeline and is operated with electric. This pump is reciprocating pump is operated with electrically or manually. When this pump is start, then it sucked the air from inside of the pump and discharge to the its delivery pipeline air out. And for that reason, the vacuum will create inside of the pump and water suction will be possible. Third process is priming with jet pump. Water available in this method, water available at high head is allowed to through a nozzle. What is it? The water is allowed through a nozzle. Water allowed to flow through a nozzle. The water is allowed to flow through a nozzle, and nozzle design of the nozzle in such manner that jet pressure, here is jet pressure of the outside nozzle will less than atmospheric pressure, and for that reason here the pressure of the jet will less than atmospheric pressure, and for that reason air will be lifted from the some level to centrifugal casing of the centrifugal pump. And last method is priming with air separator. Here I will draw a side view of the centrifugal pump. This is the air separator. This is impeller. This is vent section. And this is the suction pipe or centrifugal pump. In vent section, water or liquid always available at this height. When pump will start, then air plus water will go to the air separator. Due to less density of air will go to delivery pipeline. But due to high density, water will come back to the casing. This process will continue, and a stage will come that time totally water will removed from this passageway of the centrifugal pump, and then water will be sucked to the pump from the sump level. So friends, hope you understand, and if you learn something, then like the video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.